Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. See? Now, the other day, I and I do a video in regards to ding dong them and silent ravers and things like that. See? But before we go any further, I'll big up all of the subscribers, them both old and new, and the one that we have passed through. And I come back. See? Now, a lot of the items I consider them issue trivial, see, and a lot of man jump in and say why even take the time for entertain such a subject, see. But personally, this is sometimes we spot somehow with there in terms of mind frame, mentality and things like that. Just we alone there, and it's quite a small percentage of the population. John come for call the righteous. See? The righteous already know what them for know. See? The whole scripture, the whole context, but with the argument, there's just the people them where sin and in a abject sin and destruction. Him come sacrifice him life. You know, see, now I am nowhere close to being of that nature, character. See? But however, we still know say when we address people who need to know, not those who already know. You know, see, so we in it's a mental state we now, you know. See, most of we as black people, we have mental issues, see, undiagnosed, you know, unrecognized, and you don't know. That's how you go. See, so we live with them thing there. A lot of the way we think and approach things is based on that. See, we use emotions rather than our brain. You know, see, I did only say we should have be responsible and give Ding Dong the chance to address the issue if and whenever. And also highlight the fact that there's two sides to the story rather than make it out like a one issue could have been the main reason why for the termination, which is his orientation, while the bigger picture is the exposure. See, that's my argument. But enough man, because enough of them go watch the video too and not conscious say, but what am I doing? And that was the whole thing. You see, yeah. See? So to them want to ask a big question about somebody. Major Hype. Who is Major Hype? See? Enough of know again. I'll jump in at the comment. Here we go again. We know which side him depend. See who him ask about. Yeah, we want to know who is Major Hype. See? Because we never bust no blank when Selector Weber them and Rory them and We Power and all of them. Sky Juice. All Badman Selector, all Big Selector play Boy George and George Michael in a dance. I know it could still go on. See? Long time in a Ghana dance, years. See? So it's a state of selective mentality. That's what we are trying to establish and point out. Say, same knife will stick goat. You know, see it? So you can't be morally responsible upon one and you know, irresponsible upon the other and expect it to go unheard, unmentioned, or unargued. You know, see, like me I say, I've never been going through social media and see Shibata do a live and stop and say, wait, let me see where that boy are going with. See, I've never listened to George Michael, I never did a bust no blank back in the day. Since we are going to be hypocrite, none of you can tell me say I lie, me I tell. You know, see, coming to America the other day with Eddie Murphy, I didn't watch it. Part 2, Part 1, me no watch no Eddie Murphy film from them catch him with the transvestite way back in the days. See? Open big news. Yeah, me never watch none of them things. So now we are talking, so the rest are talking about Panty Face. Major Hype. Yeah, I sound love it and it make you feel better about yourself because an iconic, talented figure, character out of our thing. A member of our community. See? did it are so inclined, and for some reason at that point here we're gonna act like so well then it's something new, something surprising. See? But that's not the issue still. Whether it's surprising, new or whatever, whether you pocket them want to say. See? Or we don't want to see this as validation or verification, say I'm that way persuaded. Up to ignorance, we have ways level of higher level of ignorance than that where we have to challenge it. So I say, but today I want to ask, bear with me for a little 10 minutes. Every day I do video for for uno interest. Today this about me want to know who is Major Hype, where you come from. See? Because I'm so versatile with the accent and the character them when play with. As me personally, I'm not sure which nationality, which part of the Caribbean I'm from. I'm kind of sure say somewhere in the Caribbean I'm from, but believe you me honestly don't know where. See, and me really want to know. See, cause me I hope say I'm Jamaican. As bad as it may be, I know wicked some people look at it. When me look at the man talent, and some trivial some people might look at the whole issue concerning film little shortcomings or misfortune the other day. If we should so classify it like that. Me have to observe the talent and me I say, wait, that brother you're not normal. See, a long time me observe the talent and love what I go on. Still. See. But when we look on the portrayal of the character them and the accuracy and the flexibility and things like that, we have to observe and admire the fact say this talent here basically from coming from the Caribbean, it's next to it parallel none really. See, who would I put next to you? Oliver, Shibada, Del Sita. It's the only thing same up on a different, it might come to a different platform. See, but to be fair, with all due respect to ourselves as people, the way we do it and getting to where he is, I mean, he need our support. Just like how we support everybody else from every other race with various persuasions. Seeing sexual orientation and persuasion, same way. See it. This brother I really need to be heard. It's a remarkable character amongst us. See it, without no disrespect. And so if I say about Vybz Kartel, and so if I say about Mavado, is another pivotal black figure. This amongst us in our community, regardless of how so for instance, it's not our thing. If someone who perceive it so well and film type of comedy or the way in the film work is not our thing. See, regardless, if you have an enemy, we have tried kill you. If you don't observe and respect him tactics and the way I'm doing thing them, you got dead. Just know say you are got dead. Him I got triumph in a battle. See, me can tell you that from now. See, so I'm not saying me not watch the man thing them. I'm not say I find any offense in him work or him doing work and thing like that. See, me not have a problem with that. Me laughed him up, bust off me. Me see the man do it, the most recent one the man did the other day is where the man reflect the vibes we are going with the police officer down there. See, and thing like that. And to the way the man turn it in an artwork, come here and say, you see the imagination and the thought process we take to do them work there, coming from the resource where we did have as a youth growing up. You get what I say, it's quite remarkable. See, and regardless of how anybody want to take a video, it's up to see, it's for me I ask some questions and I would love some people answer me because me can't find out where the brother come from, no matter how I try. Me a couple people, him look and act Jamaican, mostly. Him have a Jamaican flavor, but believe you, if you manage to watch that one, you don't have to say it because it adds to your mystique. It does. You get what I say? It does. And then you're duty to say it. Don't make everybody, make the rest of subscribers, the rest of audience, give them opinion and say where them think you come from, because really and truly, it's a trivia and it's a nice type of concern type of thing where I mean, yeah, better we show that sort of concern for the eye than really, me not agree with people try tear you down or condemn the effort, condemn you based on your effort where you make for what they perceive to be a mistake. See, based on the allegations and things like that, without seeing much defense or any whatever, me not have no opinion on the matter. Forgive publicly at this point on this platform. You understand? I reserve my opinion in regards to the station. This is no way, shape, or form am I encouraging violence to women or offering any form of sanctuary around here or suggestions like that. I'm saying I can't give my opinion on the subject in regards to if or not such thing happen, because again, it's a professional, it's a public figure, and it's a matter for the courts as we see it. You know, see it. But I hope it all work out really for the best. But I would even mind them get back together. I tell you the truth, well, that's just me. You know, see, but end of the day, we have to salute and give reverence to such a talent. Me not tell you lie. It's a refreshing piece of argument for talk about it in the day. And, you know, sometimes we have to do these things because we can't just, that's why school is like that, where you have various different sort of subjects throughout the day, throughout the week and things like that, because we have to, you know, relax the brain, and we have different type of, you know, we can't just jump in the destruction, death and destruction, the gloominess and the sadness every day. You know, see it. So that one you have for the general, and big up yourself. You know, see it. Enough respect me youth, and keep doing the good work. You know, see it. And the rest, you know, I love reason with the rest one of them days. I don't know how, but now that you then I don't know, I don't know. You know, see it. Enough respect. But you're popular the man. Big up Major Hype. You know, see, and I wish the I all good things, you know, the I pursuit them Rasta. You know, see, like I'm saying, the I talent is unchallengeable. Respect. More or less. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.